This complete real estate management system help you to manage your complete real estate operations within this single dashboard. You can manage your properties, leads, follow up with your clients, appointments, as well as many more things. Also, we have implemented the three major roles within our dashboard: the admin role, the manager role, the agent role. Basically, these three are the logins: admin login, manager login, and the agent login with the customized permission matrix. The admin can able to change the permissions for their roles. Like the manager, you can see there is a lead sections. Like the manager cannot able to delete the leads, I just simply uncheck them. And my agent can able to delete the leads, I just simply enable it from here. So same like that, you can customize the permissions for your roles as per your own business need. As well as we have implemented the AI chat assistant. You just simply give the simple natural language prompt. Let's take example, summarize this month deal and commissions. I just simply give a prompt. Now it will read the data from my Google Sheet. Why it read the data from my Google Sheet? Because we are using the Google Sheets as a database for our web application. So you can see it is right now summarizing and it is reading the data from my Google Sheets. And now you can see the rental deals we have done, the sale deals, and the total commissions for the month. It will give the answers by reading our data from our Google Sheet. As well as we have a option for the color changer, the theme changer. For actually, you can easily change the theme of the complete dashboard as per your own branding. My most favorite is this, so I have implemented this. And if you want to enable the dark theme, you can also enable or disable it from here. So there is a notification section where you can see the complete notifications of this dashboard, what the manager can do, what the agent can do. You can be notified from here. So now let's start the video. This is a dashboard where you can take the overview of the complete system. Also, you can see the active listing, the open leads, the overdue follow-ups, and the today viewings. As well as we have implemented the button which will be redirect you to the relative section. So this is a property sections where you can add the property, edit the property, and delete the property. If you want to add the property, you have two ways to add the property. If you want to add individual property, just simply hit this add property button and fill up the information like the title, the property type, the listing type, the price, the area size, the area unit, bedrooms, bathrooms, city and areas, and then the society phase, the street address, latitude, and etc. Fill up the information, and there is a one option, owner registry, autofills name and phone. This will come in from the drop down. And how you can add them, there are two ways. You just simply hit this plus button. You can directly add owner from here. If you don't want to add it from here, just simply go to your sidebar, and there you will see a owner sections where you can add the owner manually, as well as you can import them. So in the action columns in the owner, you also have a 360-degree view. Just simply hit this. You can able to see for this owner a profile overview, the properties related to this owner, and the deals we have done with this owner. You can directly see it from here. Now let's move back to the property sections. In the property sections, I already told to you how you can add the property individual level. Once you hit the save button, that information will be saved it here. And if you want to import the 500 to 1000 properties in one go, just simply download the template. And we have implemented this feature in our all sections like the leads, follow-ups, and appointments. Everywhere we have implemented the same feature. Okay, the CSV is downloaded. Just open it and fill up the information. Once you fill up the information, just came back to your dashboard and hit this import CSV and select the file and click on this open and hit this import button. So once you hit this import button, it's importing. Here it will check if the data is already available in your Google Sheet. It will skip them. If the properties is not available in your Google Sheet before, it will not edit them. If it is available, it will skip. If it is not available, it will add. Okay, so in this way it will work. As well as if you can view the details, you just simply hit them, the gallery of the images, and the interested, the viewings, the deals, the documents, each and everything. You can see it from here. Let's take example, this is a property, and you can see the overview of this property, the images for this property, the interested persons in this property, the viewings, the deal we have made with this property, and the documents. If you want to browser PDF, you just simply hit this, and it will generating the browser PDF for you. So once it's generating, you can simply view it and send it to your clients as well. Okay, you understand? Now let's move to the lead sections. In the lead sections, we can simply add the lead from here, fill up the information and hit this add lead button, so that information will be saved it here. Same in the action column, we have the 360-degree view. We just simply hit them and we can see the follow-ups with this lead, the viewings, the offers, the matching, and etc. So you can see that is the matching for this lead. And we can also check out the available or reserved and etc. Which if you want to send the WhatsApp message, you just simply hit this share on the WhatsApp, so that will be redirected you to the WhatsApp. And if you want to assign agent, you just simply hit them, select a agent from the drop down and hit this assign, so that lead will be assigned to that particular agent. Understand? And now there is a chevron filters pipeline. You just simply apply the filters directly from here. Same in the property sections, you can also see the my listings only, and you can see the everyone listing, as well as you can apply the filters directly from here or from here in our all the sections. Now let's move to the lead sections. In the lead sections, we also have the Kanban board feature. You can also view the leads in the Kanban board view. So now let's move to the follow-up sections. In the follow-up sections, you just simply hit this add follow-up, select the lead from the drop down, select the type call, WhatsApp, email, meeting, note, etc., the due, assigned to, and the notes, and hit this save button. Once you hit this save button, as you know, as you can see, the information will be saved it here. For example, this is a lead 20 and there is a notes and this is the due, status is pending. And if you have done this, you just simply mark completed from here, so it is right now saving. Now the big question is that the loading appear with a logo. How you can change the logo? You can directly change the logo from your settings sections. And if you want to send the WhatsApp message, you can also send them. And if you want to edit the lead or delete the lead, you can also apply the features. This is the appointment section. You just simply click on this book viewing, select lead from the drop down, select property, which property they want to view, and then the date and time, the duration, the agent, and the notes, and simply hit this book viewing. So once you hit this book viewing, that appointment will be done. So there is a action column. You can see there is a option complete plus feedback. You just simply hit this them. The client interest is hot, warm, cold. Just simply select it here. How did it go? You just simply add your notes and simply hit this complete viewing. So once you hit this complete viewing, that information will be saved, and from the action column, this icon will be removed, so you can easily able to see it. And the most important thing, you all questions me, why my web applications working so fast. So the answer is that I am using the SWR technology, the state while revalidate. Okay, so I am using this, so that's why my web application on the Google App Script is working fast. So there is also a option to confirm the appointment. I just simply hit this them, and once I hit, so now you can see the status will be changed from scheduled to the confirmed on the real time on my web application. So now let's move to the deal sections. In the deal sections, if you want to make a new deal, just simply hit them, select the property from the drop down, the buyer name, the buyer phone number, the deal amount, the commission, the agent share, the token money, and the agent, and also the notes, and simply hit this open deal. Once you open the deal, you can see in the action column you have a option for the edit, send WhatsApp option, the delete, as well as for the payment. Just simply hit this amount, for example the 600, and the reference check, IT number, transaction ID, and the notes, and simply hit this record payment. So once you hit this record payment, so that payment will be recorded against to this deal. Okay, so now let's move to the 10 section, so you can simply check it out, that will be automatically come here. Okay, so if you want to renew the contract, you can also do them, and if you want to end the tenancy, you can also do that. Now let's move to the agreement sections. The most important thing of this dashboard is our agreement sections. You can see there is a rental agreement for eligible persons in our system, which is related to our rental agreement. We just simply hit this, and you can see this is one rental, this is the rental 2, and that is our tenant 1, tenant 4, tenant 2, and tenant 3. And if you want to generate the agreement copy, just simply hit this view button. So now it's generating, and you can take the print and do the physical signatures and print out and give to your party. Okay, so in this way you can also do that. So same like that, if you have any sale agreement, you can also go it here, click on this view, so your sale agreement will be generating in one go. So you can see the sale agreement is generating right now, the agreement to sell, and that is our the terms and condition and each and everything. So for that, if you want to modify them, you need to edit or update your code, okay, directly from your index.html or your code.js. Okay, so there is a payment received, there is a 8 eligible, and if you want to take a print or give a physical print to your customer, just simply hit them that generating. So right now it's generating the payment received, so that is your payment received. Just simply take the A4 paper print and give to your client. So in this way, you can also do the rent statement receipt, dues, outstanding statement, and commission invoices as well. So this is a report sections where you can see the many type of reports like the lead conversion report, agent performance report, the inventory aging report, portal engagement report, rent roll, the commission reports, the offers pipeline, and the target progress and the possible duplicates. So this is the owner sections. I already told to you how you can add the owner, and this is the locations in your society and in your area. You can simply do that. And this is the amenities like the balcony, basement, corner. You can directly add amenities from here, and when you create the properties, you just simply select from the drop down. Okay, understand. This is the users management where you can add the users, edit the users, or delete the users, as well as you can reassign the work, and also you can deactivate the users from here. Now this is the setting sections where you can see enable the round robin website leads auto assigned to active agents. For example, if a lead is generated, what agent is available to the very next? For example, there are three agents. One agent is already booked, and the second agent is already booked with a lead. Third agent is free. So now the new lead will be auto assigned to the third agent. So you can also define the settings like the commissions, the commission percentage, the agent share, and the renewable increment, and the save money details. Here you can add your open API key and hit this select the models. And why you need to add the open API key? If you want to use the AI assistant. If you don't want to use the AI assistant in your web application, you don't need to add the API key. Without that, it will work. From here, you can upload the profile picture, that is your main logo, and as well as you can change the color scheme. I already told to you, you can also change the color scheme from here. There is a 360 view. For example, you are going to search something, so now it is available in our property section, so that will be redirected you to the property sections. So this is a 360 search from all the sheets, from all the sections. And this is the activity logs where you can see the complete activity which is performed in your system. And this is the trash sections. If you delete the records, that will be saved in your trash history, and if you want to restore in future, you can also do it from here. There is a roles and permission. I already told to you how this will work and how you can enable or disable the permissions for your roles. And this is the my account section where you can change the password. And the about app application, in the about app I have tell you the formulas and business logic what I have implemented in this system, so you can check out from here. And if you want to get any kind of customized project, you can directly hire her. You can simply contact us. And if you want to get these kind of more tutorials, just simply hit this subscribe button. As well as we have many more um, web applications, CRMs, which will be may be helpful for you, like the pharmacy point of sale system, AI app builder, and many more. You can check out our YouTube channel. As well as if you want to grab the complete source code access for all of our web applications, you can simply join our VIP membership plan. So best of luck. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you like this video and you will be share with your real estate related friends which is interested, which will doing work in the real estate. You definitely share with them. And thank you very much for being part of our community. Allah Hafiz, and we will meet you in our next video.